If you're looking to just start, if you have a team, if you are in the industry such as window companies, blinds and shades, interior designer, architect, general contractor, builder, this is a perfect business for you. You already have the clients, you already service, you already know about electricity and pretty much installations of different type of products. Becoming an authorized dealer gives you exclusive rights to our iTints technology, and we hold you hand to hand to guide you during this process. And this is what we're all about. We have to evolve, and this is the revolution of window treatments. The latest, the greatest iTints technology. So contact us today. Find out everything that you have to know about our Authorized Dealer program and schedule your assessment with me. We'll get on a call. It's a full consultation. You definitely have to have a team. You definitely have to be in one of these industries, and you definitely have to be ready to make your investment, because this is going to be the best investment for you and your business and your clients. So if you want to know more, you know the link to hit below, and get ready to step into the future. iTints technology.